Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we are going to learn how to insert a voice memo into Google Slides in a simple and practical way. This video will show you how to add audio to your presentation and make it more engaging for your audience. Step 1. Start by opening Google Slides and creating a new blank presentation or opening an existing one, because this gives you a canvas to work with. Having your slide ready is important so you know exactly where the voice memo will be placed. Step 2. Now move to the top menu bar and click on the Insert option, which contains tools for adding different elements. From the drop-down menu, select Audio, as this is the feature used to add voice recordings to your slides. Step 3. Once you click on Audio, you will be asked to choose an audio file from Google Drive. If your voice memo is saved on your device, make sure it is in a supported format like MP3 or WAV and upload it to Google Drive first. Step 4. After uploading, select your voice memo from the list and click on Select to insert it into the slide. You will see a small speaker icon appear, which shows that the audio has been successfully added and is ready to play. Step 5. Click on the speaker icon to move or resize it, and then use Format options from the toolbar to adjust playback settings. Here you can control volume and choose whether the audio plays automatically or only when clicked, depending on your presentation needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful and easy tech tutorials.